how are you looking to incorporate AI and technology like that into your organization or your products?
Right. I think the key principle is we let the healthcare organizations drive it, and they are driving it. We have at least three academic medical centers who want to be the thought leaders in this area, because as we all know, it's very early and there's a lot of risk, but there's so much potential just in what it can do, such as generating customized after visit summaries for patients or email triage or a whole bunch of things. So the physicians actually are driving it. So it's very exciting.
How are you looking to incorporate AI and technology like ChatGPT into your organization or your products?
Well, AI is very important to us, and unlike ChatGPT, the kind of AI we look at is something called natural language processing, and we actually use it in a process that takes unstructured data, say a fax, and can turn it into structured data, say an HL7 or a fire message, and deliver it into an EMR so it can be used in a seamless and kind of automatic way.
Well, at Lightbeam, we were very fortunate in the last year to acquire a company, Javion, that's been in the AI space for many years. We are rapidly integrating Javion into the Lightbeam platform, and we're very excited about the opportunities to use prescriptive AI in areas like assessing social determinants and also in predicting high expense cases of utilization, like reducing hospital admissions, reducing ED visits, and reducing readmissions. So we're deep in the AI space with our own proprietary platform.
Yeah, so AI is very important to the product that we just described. The ability to read an unstructured document like a PDF or a fax that's inbound, and then look for keywords. Those keywords may be COVID. The keyword may be cardiac arrest. The keyword may be the ability to move quickly. So from that standpoint, it's very important that we make those decisions very quickly. We use AI to actually do the reading. So that's how we're incorporating AI and machine learning. We train on certain words, we look for those words, and we surface those words in a document and in the intake process, making the life of the intake coordinator and the intake director that much easier.
Yeah, there's a lot of buzz about ChatGPT and generative AI. I think for the last 30 years, predictive AI was out there, which is throw in some numbers and get some numbers out. Now it's throw in some text and get some text out. So we are predicting a lot of stuff like readmissions and hospitalization, which can use to reduce cost of care and improve quality of care. But also we are now using generative AI into our point of care tools so that the physician's burden on documentation and research can go down. For example, can they do differential diagnosis much better with GPT? Or can they write letters to payers on prior auths much faster? Or even more so, can they summarize patient charts, which takes them minutes in a visit, which is very crucial.
So, how are you looking to incorporate AI and technology like ChatGPT into your organization or your products?
That's a great question. That's happening all the time, and as large language models are really developing, it's really a challenge for health organisations to decide how they want to incorporate these types of technologies. We at Orion Health have a large data platform, and we're looking at how we actually, make sure that the healthcare systems, which sit on this enormous amount of information, whether it's structured data, unstructured data from clinician notes, and actually get meaning from it. These large language models, such as ChatGPT, really provide an ability for health systems to get absolute value by mining the data in a conversational manner. It's going to be really exciting.
Perfect.